Registration video. Welcome to the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli registration process. This video will guide you step by step on how to fill in the registration form. First, go to the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli website by typing nammaschool.tnschools.gov.in in your browser search bar. Click on the Sign Up option at the top of the page. If you are a higher education institutions, click the Higher Education Institutions option in the given list. Enter the name of the college as per official records. Provide the official email ID for all future communication. Enter the contact phone number of the college. Select your country. If applicable, choose India. Select your state from the drop-down list. Enter the PIN code corresponding to the college location. Next, click on the Send OTP. Enter the OTP you receive on your phone. Provide your consent by clicking the checkbox. Finally, click on the Register button to complete your registration. Review all the details carefully before submitting the form. Thank you for registering and supporting the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli initiative. If you encounter any issues during registration, don't hesitate to contact us using the contact details displayed on your screen.
Namma School at tnschools.gov.in or 044 2999 4215 or +91 63853 13047.